Are you tired of missing out on important updates for your business? With GoHighLevel, you can ensure that you never miss a beat by setting up customized alerts that keep you informed and in control of your marketing efforts. In today's video, I'll show you how to personalize your GoHighLevel notifications so you can stay updated on leads, tasks, and campaigns without feeling overwhelmed. Let's get started. GoHighLevel allows you to stay on top of your operations by sending timely alerts based on your preferences. Here's how you can set it up. Head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard and click on the Settings tab. From the left-hand menu, select My Profile. Under the Notifications section, decide which alerts you want to receive for actions like new leads or completed tasks. You have the option to enable or disable notifications via email, SMS, or in-app messages. This ensures that you stay informed in real time without being overloaded with irrelevant updates. And there you have it. Never miss a critical update again. Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today. Plus, schedule your kickoff call to ensure a smooth setup. Find all the important links in the video description. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching.